Deanna here from Mind Body Movement Center. This is your Wednesday work in to work out. So this one, Warrior 2, Dynamic Warrior 2. So I line, my right foot is out, my left foot is slightly turned in. My hip bones are going to line up with the long side of the mat so that when I situate my front leg, that my hip bones don't really move as I bend into this front knee. But this knee will stay in line with the ankle. So if I look down and I see my knee kind of traversing inward, I want to try to bring it out just a bit. So that this part of my body doesn't really move. I'm not turning it this way as I head out. All right, I'm going to spread the toes. So spreading both toes, picking up the toes, spreading out the pinky, setting it down, and then dragging the other toe towards center. And then we're going to start a little bit of dynamic movement with the arms. So in an inhale, rising up, and an exhale, spanning out, I come into a mudra, Jnana mudra, the mudra of knowledge or wisdom, which index finger to thumb and the other finger stretching out. And then rising back up, inhale, and exhale right down my center into another mudra, Anjali mudra. Rising up, inhale, spanning out, exhale. Shoulders are soft, kind of drawing shoulder blades back in together to get a little bit of strength in there. Inhale, rising, and exhale down your center. You'll notice I'm changing the vision of my eyes, turning my head along with the hands to gain a little bit of balance practice, inner ear stabilization. Great. So maybe 5 times through the movement. On the last one we hold, shoulders are soft, gazing out towards that front hand. Couple breaths there, rising up, inhale, and exhale back to center. All right, that's it. Heel toe, step it in. And of course, head on to the other side. All right, that's your work in for your workout. See you next time.